Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and renew an Etsy listing. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Etsy website right here, etsy.com, if you're not already. So after opening it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. And from here in the upper right corner, the first thing we can do is go ahead and log into our account. If you do not already have an account, you can just go ahead and create one. If you have one, you can go ahead and log in. So once you've done that, now we can get started accessing the shop manager. So by clicking the shop manager option right here is going to enable us to go ahead and set up a shop if you do not already have one. If you have one, by opening up the shop manager is going to enable us to edit our shop settings. So from here, now we can get started following this Etsy Help Center article on how to renew a listing. So basically guys, to renew individual items, what you're going to do is go ahead and follow the steps right here so we can renew sold items or active listings. So go to etsy.com and open up the shop manager just like I showed you, and then select orders and shipping. From there, you're going to go and be able to open up the listing section and select the gear icon next to the item that you want to renew if it was a sold item, and then you're going to see the renew option. If you're renewing an active listing, just go to the shop manager and open up the listings exactly the same, but you're going to check the boxes for the items you want to renew next to those listings, and then you can click the renew button that's going to enable you to confirm your selection. Once you've done that, you are going to successfully renew your listings, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.